What if I told you that the iPhone 17 could land in your hands sooner than you think? Yep, it's that time of year again. Apple is getting ready to launch its next big iPhone lineup, and if you're wondering exactly when that's going to happen, we've got you covered. Whether you're planning an upgrade or just curious about what's coming, the release schedule is starting to take shape, and all signs point to early September being the big moment. So let's talk dates based on Apple's usual pattern. The most likely event day is Tuesday, September 9th, or Wednesday, September 10th. This isn't just a random guess. Ever since the iPhone 7 back in 2016, Apple has made early September its regular launch window. The only exception was in 2020 when the pandemic caused delays. If the event happens on the 9th or 10th, then pre-orders should begin that same week, on Friday, so either September 12th or September 19th. Then, just a week later, the new iPhones will probably start arriving in stores and shipping out to buyers, most likely by September 19th or September 26th. So yeah, if you're hoping to be among the first, those are the key dates to keep in mind. Now here's where things get interesting. Apple isn't just launching the standard iPhone 17 and the Pro models this year. They're shaking things up a bit with a brand new version called the iPhone 17 Air. Instead of giving us a larger non-Pro model like the previous iPhone Plus versions, Apple is going in the opposite direction, making something thinner and lighter. The iPhone 17 Air is designed to give users a more comfortable, sleek feel without sacrificing performance. If you've been waiting for something that's easier to hold but still has modern features, this could be your sweet spot. Then, of course, we'll also see the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, which are expected to bring upgrades like better cameras, more RAM, and maybe even faster displays. There's also talk that the regular iPhone 17 and Air models could finally get higher refresh rate screens, which would be a huge upgrade. While Apple hasn't confirmed this, the hope is that we'll see displays running at 120Hz instead of just 60Hz on the base models. And if you were hoping for a budget version like the iPhone SE, there's some news there too. Apple is expected to launch a new iPhone 17e, which replaces the SE line. But here's the thing, that one won't launch in September. The 17e is expected sometime in spring 2026, so you'll need to wait a few more months if you're looking for the most affordable option. On the software side, the release of iOS 26 is also lined up with the iPhone 17 launch. This means that even if you're not upgrading your phone, you'll still get something fresh.